In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your Wave accounting data. Whether you're safeguarding your business information or preparing for a smooth transition to a new system, backing up your data is an essential step. Let's dive right in and make sure your data is securely saved. First, open up your Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice your business name displayed there. Go ahead and click on your business name. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, giving you access to a range of settings and features that Wave accounting offers. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Business Settings. Clicking here will take you to a new screen dedicated to managing various aspects of your business account. It's where you can adjust everything from your company's basic information to more advanced settings, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with if you haven't done so already. Now, once you're in the Business Settings area, look over to the Settings navigation sidebar. This is the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down this sidebar until you reach the section called Other. This section houses some of the less frequently accessed but still important features, including the one we're interested in today. Under the Other section, you'll find an option named Data Export. Click on Data Export, and this will take you to a page where you can manage your data backups. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to export your important business information. On the Data Export page, you'll have the opportunity to choose the data you want to export. Wave allows you to select different types of data to back up, so think about what's most important for your records. It could be your invoices, transactions, or even your customer and vendor lists. Make sure you select everything you might need. This ensures that you have a comprehensive backup available, covering all aspects of your business operations stored in Wave. Once you've made your selections, proceed to export the data. This will usually download the data onto your device in a format that you can easily store and access later, such as a spreadsheet or a CSV file. Remember, keeping a regular backup is a good practice. It can protect your business against unexpected data loss and give you peace of mind knowing that your financial information is safely stored. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Wave accounting data. Keeping regular backups is a smart way to ensure your business data remains secure and accessible. If you ever need to restore your information or move it to a different system, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy accounting.